SHEGLAM sent me so much makeup. I filmed this video opening the packages and everything the day I got this package, went through everything, and then I went to edit the footage today and it is corrupted. The entire 30-minute video is only the first frame of the video over and over and over and over again. So here we are. Everything is out of this package because I've gone through it and opened it for a video that I no longer have. But I'm gonna still post a video showing y'all everything SHEGLAM gave me because they're oh so sweet, oh so kind, and they do make really good products. So if you're interested in any of these products you're gonna see, you can go to their website. Some of these I have already used, so I will be swatching those ones so you can get a full look at them. But let's just start from the base. First, they sent me their Good Grip Hydrating Base Primer, and this one is in Blueberry. Now, this is the primer I use on a daily basis. It is also a SHEGLAM primer. It is so good, and you actually do get stick. Like, my hand's sticking, so therefore the foundation is gonna stick. Next up, we're gonna start with these two. These are not foundations, they are the Sunburst Glow Mixers. This one is in the shade Fair Neutral, and this one is in the shade Pearly White. Now what you do with these is you take a little out, you can mix it in with your foundation, put your foundation on, and give your skin a natural glow. Or you can put it in the spots where you would like to have a natural glow, and it will help you get that. Let me open this one because I used it the other day. The other one I have not used, so I'm not going to swatch what I'm not using, just in case I don't end up keeping it. I don't want my fingers all up in your stuff. Alright, so let's just go right into foundation then. First up, this is the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation in the shade Fair. And then we have the Skin Focused High Coverage Powder Foundations. Now this one, it's not my shade, is in the shade Nude. And this one is in the shade Buttercream. We have the Full Coverage Foundation Balms. This one is in the shade Chandelier. This one is in the shade Fair. And then another foundation. This one I had opened and literally used the other day. This is the SHEGLAM Skin Magnetic High Coverage Foundation Stick. This one is in the shade Fair, which is the same color as that darker foundation. And then this one is in the shade Buttercream. I actually love this one. Buttercream is definitely my shade. My face is really red right now, but I don't know why it's so red. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, when that's blended, it matches my skin tone. Now we're going into concealers. I am obsessed with this concealer already. I might keep the second one, but I haven't decided yet. This one is the Rapid Retouch Cream Concealer. This one is in the shade Buttercream, which is the same shade as this, and this one is Linen. Now the reason I haven't kept the other one yet is because I'm deciding, because Linen is very bright, but if I'm doing just a concealer day, I definitely don't want that. I want something a little darker, but when you do a foundation and this is your concealer, that's gonna make that shit pop. Also, I so apologize for how I look today. Today was like a do nothing with myself day. Like, I literally just made lunch and then was like, time to edit, and then I literally came over here and sat down and was like, okay, just ate my lunch, here we go. Next up, these are the Bright Eye Cooling Concealers. This one is in the shade Buttercream, and it should be the same color as this, but to me it looks a little bit darker. And then this one is in the shade Linen, which is the same color as this, but I will put it on my eyes for you. And yes, these are just going to be on my face for the rest of the video. Like, that's just how we look now, I guess. But as you can see, look how brightening that is. Like, I know I haven't blended it in the full way, but already how bright. Crazy. Very bad blend, but we're going with it. And then we have the Complexion Boost Concealers. This one I have not opened, is in the shade Linen, which is the concealer under my eyes currently. Same shade name. I don't know if they're like different or if that's all based around the same color. And then this one I've used is Buttercream. Now when I do just a concealer makeup and no foundation, this is great because it matches the skin tone enough where it gives it a brightening, but it's not too crazy out there. And that's just the kind of makeup I like to do. Some people don't do that, some people do. That's just personally how I like to do makeup. This is the 3-in-1 Radiance Ring Correcting Setting Powder. And it is a 3-in-1. It comes with a poof, it comes with a pink, yellow, and a translucent powder. Turn right into these. All of the makeup I got was like so like just cute, and then all of a sudden we have Rick and Morty. Now this is the Mr. Meeky's beauty sponge, and it is genuinely so cute. They gave him his hair, and I love that. And then the Pickle Rick setting spray. Now this smells so good. I believe it is cucumber. Obsessed with it. I took it downstairs. My grandmother was looking through some of this makeup, and I was like, smell it. It smells really good. I didn't know that she hates the smell of cucumbers, and she was completely appalled by the fact that I thought that this smelled really good. But look how cute it is. It's like, you don't even want to use it. You just kind of want to be like, here you go. It's on my shelf now. But genuinely, that smells really, really, really good. Let's go right into some blush. They sent me 2 blushes. This one I have used. It is the Lunar Orbit Blush Ball. Now, the absolute joy I got out of this product whenever I opened it for the first time, I was so excited because a while back I bought one of the highlighters, and I was like, it's like a little UFO. You can literally just go like this and put it on your... So much excitement I had. And they just made a cream blush of it. You definitely had to put a decent amount on to really get it to go there, but I didn't do that. But so pretty, so excited. And then they sent me another one of these. It is the Howdy Gel Licious Blush and Lip Tints. I now have 2 Howdies and then 3 other ones of these. But I used one of the other ones as a lip tint, and I absolutely love it. Even more excitement. I want to open up the next one, and it's another highlighter. And I mean, just like the Prince of the Moon, and the little UFO, like, it's so cute. Contours. These are the Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. This one is in the shade Stone, Golden Sun. And this one I actually used the other day. It is Soft Tan. These are bronzers. These are the 70 matte liquid bronzers. Now this one I used, it is Toffee. And they sent me 2 Toffees for some reason. Golden Sun. Okay, I forgot I had another blush, so sorry about that. This one was perfect. It is the Color Bloom Liquid Blush. This one is in the shade Orange Peel. Like, how could I not keep it, you know? And a little did go a long way. I like that I'm using one finger to blend everything. It's only been this middle finger to blend literally everything. I'm gonna look whack by the time we get to everything else, but I'm showing y'all everything I can. Okay, this was so fun. It is the Multi-Glam Face Pen, okay? All of these twist off for another color. So imagine, keep this in your purse for when you're on the go. Like, you're good to go at that point. Like, oh no, I need to fix my concealer, my contour. Then is the medium one. So Party Starter Body Highlighter Glitter Gel in the shade Icebreaker. Look at that. And then we have the Crystal Glaze Moisturizing Lip Care. And this one is in the shade Strawberry Milk. You kind of see the shade in there. And I'm really all over the place, but I'm so sorry about that. This is the Brush and Dip Brow Affection. This is so fun. It took me 10 minutes to figure out. You twist this to unlock it. You push it down. You can relock it. You twist it off, and then pushing it down dips the brush into the product and gives you brow-like strokes. And we have another lip. Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil. And this one is in the shade Berry Involved. This packaging is so cute. My grandmother was like raving about this packaging. She thought it was so fun. Gleam Chaser Eyeshadow Topper. This one is in the shade Frosting. Now it has a little plastic seal on it, but it is the loose powder. How gorgeous is that? This lip plumper, Sepia Kiss. Here is that shade. How pretty is that? And then we have Big and Bright Eye Pencil. This one is a white one. And then we have a Good Point Waterproof Angled Eyeliner Pencil. This one is the thinnest eyeliner pencil I've ever seen in my life. This is the SHEGLAM Volumizing Mascara. And it is this burgundy color that is so pretty. Now I like using this type of wand for the underneath the bottom lashes. It's so much easier. Look how gorgeous that is. This Better Brow Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil. Also sent me a felt tip angled eyeliner. I'll put it on screen. I set it to the side because my sister asked for it, and I have no clue where I put it. I had mania the other day I was filming, so anything that happened that day, movement wise, gone. Thank you so much, SHEGLAM. I am so sorry y'all about this footage. Like, I definitely shortened the video by a good 20 minutes probably, because I was yapping in the first one about like trying to figure everything out and whatnot. But yeah, thank you so much, SHEGLAM. I'm obsessed. I've already filmed 2 videos using the products, and I got them like less than a week ago. So y'all will see those out soon. Thank you, SHEGLAM. Again, love SHEGLAM. Genuinely really good products and really good prices. Go to their website to buy their stuff. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.